We're at Plotterkill Nature Preserve. And this is like a tiny waterfall, but we saw minnow in this pool of water. It goes down kind of deep, maybe 4 feet. But the bedrock is pretty dry otherwise. I can pan to the right and show you a pretty good view. And beyond me is a waterfall. I have another thing posted of that waterfall. This is off the yellow trail at Plotterkill. So you can see the bedrock. There's a fallen tree. And right down there is another waterfall, about 200 yards or so. Up here is the yellow trail. And the red trail is up that way as well.